PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 18th day of November. James Spann here. Cold out there, even though the sun is shining. Let's look out the window with our Skycam network, and there's a look at the view coming from Chilton County in downtown Clanton. I drove right past that Skycam yesterday on the way back from Uniontown. The sky is clear. It's even down in Chilton County, it's cold. Temperatures in the mid-40s. Our Demopolis Skycam. Looking south from the Demopolis Civic Center, blue skies, sunshine there, but very chilly. And down on the campus of the University of Montevallo, that's our newest sky cam on a cold but sunny November day. Eastern Trough, Western Ridge, you know the story. And again, we're going to see another shot of cold air later in the week on Friday, and that's going to keep temperatures below average through the weekend ahead. And, of course, the air coming in very dry, so no rain for a while. Look at those temperatures. At early afternoon, we've got readings in the 20s around the Great Lakes in Minnesota, and even 30s down into Tennessee. It looks like Knoxville and Bristol, Gatlinburg sitting in the 30s at mid-afternoon. How about that? Around Alabama, 40s for the northern half of the state, and I'm talking low 40s up north in the Tennessee Valley with even just low 50s down in South Alabama. And again, not spend a lot of time with that. Dry as a bone. Lake effect snow, the big story, with some folks up there getting hammered again. This is the 12Z GFS, the Global Forecast System. If you're new at this, we show model output. This is raw computer model output, not hand-drawn at all. And this is valid at noon tomorrow, noon Wednesday. The trough beginning to rotate off the Atlantic coast, but still a steady northwest flow aloft, and down below that, it's going to be a cold morning. I mean, come on now. Once the sun goes down about 4:45 today, we're going to drop quickly, and we're going to go way down in the 20s, and inevitably the colder valleys will reach the teens tomorrow morning. This should be the coldest night so far this season, and certainly a cold morning, but we'll warm up into the 50s tomorrow. Thursday, note that new 1,044 millibar high coming down the pike from Canada. And we'll begin to feel that on Friday. In fact, there's a look at Friday. You can see cold air advection as the isobars are perpendicular to those thickness lines. We'll struggle to reach 50. In fact, I really think we'll be in the 40s on Friday, much like today. But it will be sunny. Saturday starting off the weekend. We note that Vortmax south of Kansas City. And the model just shows bone-dry air. I mean, the thing just can't squeeze out anything if you got no moisture. So I guess there could be a few scattered clouds, but nothing beyond that. And then Sunday, again, the weather cool and dry. I think we'll be in the 20s Saturday morning, around freezing Sunday morning. And Monday of next week, we'll stay dry. We note a front to the northwest of here, but that encounters the dry air, and by Tuesday, poof, it's gone. So I guess maybe a sprinkle Monday night, but no big deal. And since it's Thanksgiving week, might as well go through it on a daily basis. What do you say? Let's look at Wednesday of next week, the 26th. This is what many people say is the busiest travel day of the year, the day before Thanksgiving. And that shows a little moisture settling through here. Not a big deal, but maybe some hint of a shower. Some snow flakes likely over the Great Lakes and the Northeast, but no major storm, nothing to shut down airports, nothing like that. And on Thanksgiving Day, this is the latest look, and understand this is technically beyond 7 days, so it's kind of out there in voodoo country. But for now, Thanksgiving Day looks dry and cool here, with the storm system developing off to the west. And on the next day, the 28th, the big shopping day, nice trough to the west of here and down below that. Pretty good-looking storm. If this is right, that could be a stormy day, the 28th of November, and maybe some active thunderstorms. And on the 29th, Saturday, that's the day of the Iron Bowl game. That looks kind of blustery, windy, colder. Maybe a few flurries up in Tennessee and the northeastern corner of Alabama in the wake of that departing storm. And that looks like a whopper of a snowstorm for Pennsylvania, West Virginia, parts of Virginia, if you're traveling up there. Now, remember, this is modeling. This is not a forecast, but we're just looking. We'll go out a couple of more days on the 1st of December. A trough shows up. This time it's pretty far south, and by golly, the GFS develops a surface low in the Gulf of Mexico, and you know what that means, don't you? Yeah, how about a little 1st of December snow maybe, or a few snowflakes in the northern edge of that? Yeah, we know this is voodoo, but We'll watch it. And then on the 4th, another one. December 4th, another Fort Max near Mobile Bay, another surface load down to the south. And boy, the snow lovers have to like this pattern early in the season. You wonder if, this were to happen in January or February, what would happen here. So interesting days ahead in the weather office, no doubt about that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. That's AlabamaWX.com if you're watching this on YouTube or iTunes. And the next Weather Xtreme video will be posted here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.